Hi everyone, it's Rabbi Dr. Jack Cohen, dating coach and shotgun, broadcasting live from the Kotel Marabi, the Western world, the holiest place in the world. I want to speak a little bit about chometz today. Not only do we look for chometz and we have to eradicate it from our lives physically, but chometz also represents our spiritual defects, the yitzhar within us that causes us to be angry, to be jealous, to be arrogant. We're told that the bigdich of the chometz, the search of the chometz, happens on the night of the 14th. We need a candle and we need a feather. The candle represents ner. Ner stands for ner, nun and resh, which means neshama and ruach, two parts of the neshama. We have to glance within our neshama to see what is it that we need to fix. And also, we're told to use a feather so that we shouldn't go too hard on ourselves, otherwise we'll get depressed. We need to search gently. But one of the things that we need to look out for is this area of jealousy. Sometimes we're jealous of others because they have children, because they found their shidduchim. We have to understand something. By knowing Hashem never runs out of blessings. Whatever we need, there's plenty of in Shemayim. The more we realize Hashem can do anything, the more we come to understand that the person I'm jealous of didn't take my portion, didn't marry my soulmate, didn't give birth to my child. Hashem can give you anything you want as long as you remember that there's tremendous blessing and opportunity in Shemayim. And Hashem has endless blessings. And with that, I give my blessings to everyone that we should have all our requests met for good only from Shemayim.